Hey everybody, this just arrived in the mail and it's going to be the unboxing of the HP Spectre laptop. So I did actually already kind of rip the box open, that's why this bag is out. The bag covers the laptop, but I put it back because I wanted to film the unboxing of it. So HP Spectre. Um, Let me put my phone down so I can actually open this case here. And there we go. HP Spectre. This is plastic bag covered it when I opened it. And let's take a look. This is just mostly going to be on the aesthetic unboxing. I'm not going to really review how fast it runs or the specs or anything, because that's really for other people who are more technical to take a look at. But let me put this down again. And check that out. You have this rose gold coloring, which really adds a layer of luxury to it. You have the Spectre word here. Great branding here. And you have the rose gold on the side here too. Incredible thing. I'm gonna put the laptop down so y'all can get a legit look at it from afar. There you go. It's got the same case coloring as the box. It has a little bit of this angular look, like rectangle look. I mean, they've definitely chosen not to round the corners. Brand new, so clearly very shiny. And beautiful thing here. Now what happens if we open it up? Wow, take a look at that. This is what it looks like opened up. It has this little cover here to protect the keyboard. And simple thing, you know. Oh, you could tell this sticker is not fully on there. But we got the i7 core. More of that gold casing here. And the word Spectre on here. So there you have it. Very simple, maybe even minimal basic keyboard, so nothing too fancy here. You have the trackpad here, nice and smooth. The size of it is pretty good as well. It's definitely on the smaller side to a degree. Like this is maybe a foot and a third of a foot in length. And yeah, simple thing, but beautiful. So there you have it, the HP Spectre.